Welcome this fantastic video. Front door flower pot idea. Elevate your cup appear with style and charm. A beautiful decoration. Front door flower pot arrangement is one of the simplest yet most impressful way to both the cup appear of your house. Flower pots placed at the enhance provide a welcome atmosphere and set the tone for what's inside. Whether you have is modern, rustic, or traditional, what are controllers a way to enhance its interest with style flower pots. We explored a range of create front door pots idea that will help you add color, personal and various to your entry away front door flower pot master before Dwight into the surface idea. It's impressed to understanding the signification of front door flower pot first impression contrast and the interior of your home is the first thing guest or pots by with not well controlled flower pots not only showcase your personal style but also create a scene of warmth and historic at flower pots are versatile and often flexibility in of design. You can change of flower with the season, add holiday decoration, or arrange your pots of fresh look. Whether you have a good pouch, front pouch, or a simple doorstep, the right flower pot arrangement can transforming your home interest into a stream focal point. Flower pot arrangement, one of the most classic and elegant front door flower pot idea is a simple arrangement place idea. Flower pots on side of your front door create a balance and harmonious look that serve both traditional and modern house. Just of scene of order or refinement make it a professional choice of those how professional are clean and simplicity aesthetic. Rustic wood burn flower pots for a frame house or rustic style home would bring create make charm flower pots the natural weather look of weather add warmth and textile of your front door arrangement create a rustic and invite atmosphere. Thus pouch beautiful with white flower, heart or sunflower which fathering enhance the rustic vibrant wood or personal effect or long special or those wide opening allow of a warm of plants to be grouped together. Consider add the mix to put again, and flowers such as spring and classic to create a demo and colorful display. You can also personal the look of by print and set they bring in a color that complement the viewer home interior, both and colorful boards. If you love both color and work to make a vibrant statement or a colorful boards that print at you home so could bring ice catch board can add personal to a natural color home and bring a cheerful vibrant to your front elegant disappear